Hello, my brother. Welcome to Pakistan. So, how are you?
Oh, very well, thank you.
So, what's your name? Where are you from?
I'm Ryan Parrish. I'm from the United States of America.
Welcome in Pakistan. I am very happy you have spent 10 days in Pakistan and you have visited many cities and you have a visit in my ministries, churches, in my ministry Bible college. What are your comments about any other ministers they live in around the world, about Pakistan safe and how can I carry into everything you can explain?
Yes, I would have been so blessed to meet so many godly men and women here in Pakistan who work very hard. Things are not easy for them here as they share the gospel and learn about the good news of Jesus. Very heavily controlled by Muslim authorities, and so they have to be very creative, very clever in how they bring the gospel to each other and their neighbors. So I'm very blessed and impressed by their hard work, their faithfulness. They do not get a lot of money. Travel is very difficult and all over the cities, and so yes, I'm very blessed by that.
Okay, what do you think if the some minister wants to come, they are afraid not coming? So do you want to suggestion to someone they wants to come to Pakistan?
Yeah, I've never felt in danger. Brother Ashiq does a very good job taking care, and he understands what needs to happen to keep safe. And so I have been only comfort, only a sense of welcome and love. So yeah, I have no fear of being here.
What do you think about my ministry work in Pakistan? They're doing good work. They are more needed like that.
Well, the work of discipling and training the disciples here is very important, and I see that the ministry that Brother Ashiq has been building is taking that kind of focus to all kinds of different cities. We're traveling hours and hours to get to these little villages where people gather from all around to learn about the Word of God. It's a very powerful ministry.
So what do you think about the people, Pakistani people, anger the Word of God or not?
The people that I have talked to and taught are very eager. They love it and they respond to it. So yeah, I see that they want it very much.
Very much. So if there's some minister wants to think about the can't come, so what do you think? They have a need in Pakistan, the other minister came here?
I think to show support.
Are you from USA? You have a visit to many Bible colleges and you receive too many blessings and such a blessed man of God. So I'm very happy. It's honor of my ministry. You come from very far USA and just for share the word of God. So I'm very happy. I pray for your ministry. So what do you think my ministry needs in Pakistan?
Well, I see that the people to whom we minister are mostly poor, and so they're not able to contribute very much to what you're doing and the pastors that you lead. And so if others who have more could see that need and support you, then you can do more to grow this ministry of training disciples, taking care of not only your family, but help take care of the pastors who work so hard and their families. So that's one big need. I can see the other would definitely be prayer, because living in this place, it could be fearful to share the gospel with those who are either Muslim or unbelievers, but to have the courage and wisdom to share that gospel with courage, but also know when and how to do it the best way, because it can be dangerous. So definitely financial support would, I think, do a great deal of good.
Thank you.
God but also bless. Praying that God's Spirit would...
Financial support is other things, but your prayer is so precious for us. When you go back, your church, your leader will be special prayer. The Pakistani, all minister, Pakistani governments, for Pakistani, all peoples, because you also see that you have spent 10 days with us. So you can see all kind cultures, ministry works, everything you can see. So praying for you, your family, you will reach safely in USA, and many blessing for all people. So God bless you and bye.
शुक्रिया.
हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकॉन को क्लिक करके हमारी लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के